So we're learning 3 chords today. We've got our C because it is the base of our chord. It's kind of the foundation upon which the other 2 notes are placed. So this is our C major chord. Okay, and we're gonna stick with the major key for now, okay? Now, if I told you to build that same thing, the same sort of chord, but with F as your base. So we would do C, D, E, F. You found your F. Notice what it looks like with the group of 3, and it's right next to it. The group of 3, white note right next to it, okay? So you're gonna place your pinky there, alternate, alternate. So we're doing 2 skips, and you have your F chord, okay? So get used to that one and see if you can flip from the C to the F. Jumping back and forth, okay? If you're practicing this at home and you're having a hard time getting it because it is a leap, one thing that you can do is take your pinky, you know the C and you know the F. Jump back and forth between the C and the F, just with the pinky, okay? So if you can do that, then add the note right above it, okay? And then your thumb last of all. And you can jump back and forth like that, okay? And then our last chord, now that we know C and F, is gonna be G major. So you just wanna shift all of that up 1 set of white keys, okay? So again, your pinky goes from an F to a G, all right? I want you to kind of imagine your hand as a stamp. Notice that the position is the same, okay? So now we know C, F, G, okay? And if it's already starting to sound familiar to you, if it's already starting to sound like a song, that's because almost every song out there will use some variation of this chord pattern at some point, okay? It doesn't have to be a C and then an F and a G, but this kind of leap and then step, this sort of motion, it happens all over the place, okay?